Prove that root 5 is irrational. Irrational means we can't write in the form of p by q. Okay, let root 5 is rational. Here assume root 5 is rational. So we can write in the form of p by q. Okay, so root 5 equal to a and b. Let a and b are co-primes. Here a and b are co-primes. It has only 1 and itself as a factors. Okay, co-prime has 1 and itself of factors. Okay, here by b comes to this side into b into root 5 equal to a. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. B square into root 5 whole square. Root and square get cancelled. We get 5 equal to a. Here b square is some constant k. 5k equal to a square. Okay. So k equal to a square by 5. Here 5 is prime number. 5 is one of the factor of a square. So 5 is one of the factor of a also. Okay. Here 5 is prime number. A by 5 equal to k. Here 5 is one of the factor of a. Okay, so a equal to 5k. This is equation 1. We know b square into 5 equal to a square. B square into 5 equal to a square. We know a value 5k whole square. Okay, 25k square into 5 comes to this side. B square equal to 25 by 5. It is equal to 5. 5 is 25. So 5k square equal to b square. So into 5 comes to this side. B square by 5. Okay. So here 5 is prime number. 5 is prime number. Here 5 is one of the factor of b square. So 5 is one of the factor of b also. Okay. So 5 b by 5 equal to k. Okay. We know if p is a prime number, p divides a square. Then p divides a also. We know the theorem. So in same way, b square by 5. 5 is one of the factor of b square. So 5 is one of the factor of b also. Okay. So here b is one of the factor of b. Okay. 5 is one of the factor of a. 5 is one of the factor of a and 5 is one of the factor of b. 5 is one factor of a and b. But here a and b are co-primes. Here we get a and b have more than 2 factors. Okay. So our assumption is wrong. So root 5 is rational is wrong. Hence root 5 is irrational. Root 5 is irrational. Okay.